Thinking about selling your home but know it's a little outdated, maybe needs some repairs or a few updates? That's where we come in. At Capital Investment Realty, we're more than just realtors. We're a full-service real estate brokerage with our team of in-house contractors. Here's how it works. First, connect with one of our agents. They'll set up a design consultation so our interior designer can walk you through the updates that will bring the biggest return. You'll also receive a full market analysis showing what your home is worth now and what it could sell for after improvements. Then, our team gets to work, managing every step from start to finish. From kitchens and bathrooms to curb appeal, we handle the upgrades that help your home sell faster and for top dollar. So, are you ready to sell? Let us handle the updates and help you make more money in the process. Capital Investment Realty, your key to a better home selling experience.